Wine bottle bouquets for the win. Seriously, what mom is not going to want her favorite flowers in her favorite drink? And since we're here, let's go ahead and get some inspiration for the dads too. Just grab some flowers, their favorite wine, liquor, or bubbly, and don't forget the floral foam. Since my original video making the wine bouquet, I have seen so many different variations and floral foam methods that quite frankly make this process easier. Whichever you choose to go with, just make sure that you wet your foam and cover it with plastic wrap prior to adding the flowers. Now, because I chose the more difficult method, I put a ribbon through my floral foam and tie it around the bottleneck. Then you want to grab your flowers. I picked up some from the grocery store, nothing too fancy. I just recommend grabbing large open flowers, a smaller size flower, and filler flowers or leaves. So then you're going to cut your flowers and add them to your flower foam. If the stems are flimsy, use a toothpick or pin to create a hole first. This isn't rocket science, guys. You can just add your flowers wherever your heart desires. Throughout the process, I like to step back, take a look at the arrangement, and just make sure it's nice and balanced. These seriously are the perfect gift, and you can make them work with any budget. Also consider using them as centerpieces, and don't be afraid to use faux flowers either. And there you go, a nice little gift for mom and dad. Follow Rosalind Daniels for more recipes and memory making life hacks.